Everybody, in this video I'll walk you through the steps on how can you make Valorant more vibrant or best Valorant color settings. In order to do it so, you have to follow these simple steps. Now when making color change, you typically want to have a color channel set to all channels. All channel options will adjust every color profile at once. Alternatively, you could select a specific color and make changes as you need. So what you could do is here, the best color setting for Valorant will differ depending on your monitors. However, the general adjustment will be similar. Before making changes, you can actually take a screen record or screenshot or write down the existing settings as well. You want to right click on the mouse and open the NVIDIA Control Panel. Then you want to go ahead and select adjust text subcolor settings. Then choose the monitor that you use to play Valorant and adjust color settings to your liking. This is one way of doing it, so you could also do the other way. You could go ahead and explore the settings in the game itself and you could find the color theory as well. So I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.